If you have a boat and you're working on an old boat, aluminum or whatever else, you may be interested in this stuff. Purple Power Aluminum Brightener. It's a professional strength cleaner and brightener. It works in seconds. It says it cuts grease and oil stains fast, restores metal to look like new. We're gonna find out right now really fast if this stuff actually works. A few restrictions like anything else. It says it cleans and brightens aluminum in just seconds. The professional strength formula dissolves grease, oil, stains, grime, and road film. The product is for use on machine, finished, open, pour, cast aluminum only, and open pour aluminum surface is one whose surface has not been treated by in any manner, that is, one whose surface has not been buffed, polished, or coated. Keep that in mind. It does also say right here, not for use on the following aluminum surfaces: factory painted, clear coated, high polished aluminum, alloy, or chrome. Avoid spraying on glass. Aluminum brightener will remove the clear coat or paint from aluminum surfaces and will attack highly buffed or polished surfaces by initially discoloring with the possibility of pitting the directions say to rinse off excess dirt or grime before applying. Before use, pre-test solution in an inconspicuous area to determine surface acceptance. If hazing or streaking occurs, discontinue use immediately. Apply freely, allow 20 to 30 seconds for aluminum brightener, special cleaning brightening foam to penetrate and loosen dirt and grease. Very stubborn stains may need to be lightly scrubbed. Rinse thoroughly with water immediately after application to avoid possible surface damage. Let's try it out. It says contains phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid, ammonium bifluoride, a bunch of other stuff. It's probably pretty nasty. Just be careful. It says you should wear some, protective gear. So just be aware of that. I'm gonna see how bad this stuff smells really quick. Not too bad, it smells like soapy water. All right, so we've got this old boat here. We've got this aluminum brightener, and I'm gonna just pour this in this bottle. I'm gonna make it so I can spray it on here. I'll do a little test area, one with the brush, one without it, and just see how it foams up. So here's the spot that's dirty. I'm just gonna spray it like they said. Make sure you don't get in your eyes. Maybe this be better on mist. I'm just gonna spray this back half right here. That looks like a pretty good misting. Now it said let it foam up and then rinse off. So I'm just gonna watch it. Basically, I see it foaming actually right now. Actually, it looks like it's working. Well, it looks like it's foaming up. It said, I'm gonna spray this side now, same as we did with the other side. Nice little coating. And this time they said you could scrub it. I'm actually gonna scrub this side to see if there's a difference between that side and this side with scrubbing involved. Obviously, a brush is way more aggressive than not, and I imagine the product works decent, but I'd probably opt for the scrubbing either way. So I'm not gonna go crazy. I think that's what any average person, regular guy would do, like me or anybody else. Put a little elbow grease and then maybe just haze that again. Definitely is cleaning something off. Now I power washed this boat, so whatever was on there was actually stuck on there. This is this side after about 2 minutes now. I'm tempted to just leave it just a one application and rinse it off before I start applying two. This side I applied it and then I scrubbed it, then I applied it. So it's a better comparison to what you would have to do. So we'll look at this. I'm going to give it another 2 minutes and we'll rinse it off. So if we go over the directions again, it actually said that you can wait 20 or 30 seconds to see it foam. I don't know if you have to wait minutes, but it's been about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So let's just rinse this off. This was the side we originally did, and this is just water in this bottle. So let's just rinse it and see what happens. Oh, there is a film. It definitely didn't drip off. it, like they said, it needs to be rinsed off. You can see it. It's eating it away. So that actually works great. So I'm sure with the second application, or maybe if I would have let that sit, it's a huge difference. Now let's rinse this side off that we scrubbed. Definitely, I think I can tell the difference already is scrubbing is a lot better. Rinses off a lot nicer. That could use a little extra scrubbing. So for the most part, that's the difference right there. So we saw the before, and now here is the after. This is the one with just the spray and rinse. This is the one with the spray and scrub and spray again and then rinse. So I would definitely say that the product works great. The results are pretty nice. You can see it has this oxidized finish. It had a bunch of black garbage and looking stuff on there before. I will definitely run around as fast as this product works and just basically spray this thing down and rinse it. That's a great product. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. And yeah, that's it. You can definitely use it again and keep going over it as much as you want, but it works. There's an immediate result. That did not take long. There's a reflection there in this stuff now. That was definitely not there before. Very happy with the product. I bought it at O'Reilly's and it didn't cost very much. It's like $17 for this gallon. This is a little section I just did and there is a huge difference. It really does clean it up, even if it's on there thick. I mean, it may not be perfect, but look at this. That's pretty nasty looking, and stuff brightened her up. I'm gonna run around and do the whole boat. I'm just gonna do it. Take a look in a minute and see what it looks like when it's finished, but this stuff acts so fast, it's like literally spraying it on and spraying it off. It's just not a big deal. I recommend it. Let's see what this whole boat looks like. Here's the section I already did. Look at that. Now I can't stop now. It's too big of a difference. All right, well, I'm gonna spray it up and then we'll take a look at it when I'm done. I'm gonna get the hose out and get ready to really rinse this thing off. Stuff is actually amazing. My gosh. Shines that thing right up. Yeah, it's an amazing product. I'll make this boat look like brand new here in a second. So here's the after video, guys. Honestly, I've been out here about 15 minutes. Enough time as it takes to walk around and spray this thing and rinse it off pretty much. I scrubbed it a little bit. If you see these little streaks right here where it's a little browner, if you spray a second application on, it'll take those off. I'm just not into spending forever doing it. I wanted a quick improvement, and trust me, it's a quick improvement. So that's the before and after, in case you're wondering about the Purple Power. You can definitely see the difference from beginning to end on this. And it made a substantial difference, and it worked really, really fast. So whatever solution this is, it's worth the $18 to buy the Purple Power Alumibrite. in my opinion. Very happy with the product. I bought it at O'Reilly's and it didn't cost very much. It's like $17 for this gallon. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.